We've been here tonight to take the opportunity to share with a wide audience what we've heard from across Wales about what matters most to people about their health and social care services, what good looks and feels like, and how that can translate into a set of priorities for a next government, the practical things that a next government can do to help create the health and social care system that people told us they want. And the second part of that is the set of principles, which are the values, if you like, that everybody can uphold, whatever part they play in health and social care services in Wales.
Mae Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol yn ganolog ar gyfer datblygu cymdeithas gynaladwy. Heb iechyd, heb ofal effeithiol, yna mae cymdeithas yn methu. Ac mae'n allweddol bwysig wrth i lywodraeth newydd yng Nghymru gael ei chreu, fod y rhaglen waith newydd a fydd y llywodraeth yn ei chreu yn cymryd sylw priodol o flaenoriaethau ac o lleisiau pobl Cymru wrth i ni fireinio system iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol. Dyw hynny ddim yn hawdd, mae yna bwysau aruthrol ym mhob maes polisi. Ond ar ddiwedd y dydd, mae'r gwrando ar lleisiau'r bobl a gweld beth sydd yn addas iddyn nhw fel system iaith a gofal cymdeithasol yn ganolog.
Very important to have really clear communications about what people want. The Manifesto asks are really clear and a really good way of being able to benchmark how good the manifestos are. I think it will force all the parties to say how we're going to respond to the people's priorities and what more could we ask them to do.
I think people from our perspective with learning disabilities have been particularly vulnerable for a long time in health and social service settings. So I think this is a really, really good opportunity to celebrate those voices coming together and recognising collectively the need for giving everybody the support they need. And I'm particularly impressed with the level of advocacy that's being promoted, because a lot of people with learning disabilities, I'd also say parents and carers, don't always know what their rights are.
What I'm hoping the People's Principles will achieve is twofold. Number one, empowering each person so that they know what their rights are, so that they know what they're entitled to, and they know how to ask for it. And number two, for service providers, be it health, be it care, that they will embrace these principles and embed it in their policies, embed it in their procedures, embed it in their strategy.
Mae llais yn fyddiad pwysig achos bod o'n cynrychioli llais pobl Cymru a dyna sy'n cael ei adlewyrchu yn y Manifesto. A mae'n bwysig i ni glywed y lleisiau yna a triol yn gorau weithredu gymaint o'r hyn mae pobl Cymru yn ofyn a phosib. Ac yn ddiddorol iawn hyn, nid yn unig bod yna bolisïau, ond egwyddorion craidd yn cael eu cyflwyno hefyd. Wel, os ydyn ni'n llwyddo i weithredu'r hyn sydd yn cael ei gynnig yn y Manifesto yma, yna mi fyddwn ni, dwi'n mynd yn gweld canlyniadau gwell i bobl Cymru gyda fwy o hyder yn y gwasanaethau iechyd a gofal, ac felly Cymru hapusach.